There is a very common and very real enemy of adult education students, an enemy that doesn't want them to succeed, one that whispers lies to sabotage them. Lies like, you're no good at school, you never were, you never will be. You can do this later, you're not ready yet, not ready for this class, not ready for that test, certainly not ready for college. You're not capable. This is too difficult, you'll never learn. This enemy is not lack of intelligence. It's not lack of ability. It's not even those life circumstances that so often slow GED students' education. No, the opponent that so many battle is fear. As a math teacher, I'm no stranger to those fears. I've seen students tremble at the mere mention of fractions, panic at the sight of a negative number, and freeze up when faced with long division. Why, once a gentleman even ran out of my class at the mere mention of the word algebra. At some point in our lives, all of us will come face to face with the fear that we are not enough. Poet Shel Silverstein gave some wise advice in his poem, Listen to the Mustn'ts. Listen to the mustn'ts, child. Listen to the don'ts. Listen to the shouldn'ts, the impossibles, the won'ts. Listen to the never haves. Then listen close to me. Anything can happen, child. Anything can be. So as you move into your futures, take courage. Look at what you have accomplished. Passing the GED test is no small feat. There are many high school graduates who would not pass the test you have taken. But beyond earning your high school equivalency, you have proven yourselves. You have shown that you are determined, you are persistent, and you are brave. Let this be a weapon of defense against your old adversary, fear. Some of you had to take a subject test more than once. Oh, that vicious 144 score. We at Light and Salt cheered every time we saw a student returning for another attempt. We thrilled each time a student with a 144 posted that they were going to try again. It was not your speed or your scores that brought us such joy. No, what we saw was your strength. You were learning not to let a little failure define you, not to let a setback break you. You were learning not to let life's challenges defeat you, but rather to serve as fuel for the fires of your determination. And now, here you are. Let today be proof to you of the most valuable thing education can teach. Your abilities are astonishing. Your worth is boundless. Your intelligence is remarkable. You are capable. Capable of so much more than just passing the GED test, more than just going to college, more than just achieving your career goals. You are capable of change. You are capable of growth. You are capable of being an influence for good in this world. And it is our very great pleasure to send you out into the world to do just that. Congratulations, graduates.